Good morning, hospitality students and professionals. So today I show as credit and manager 5 Gurukul will help you to cover success to ship job all in one. So these are the combo of all the four books that we have related to ship and cruise line. So the first is HSCP basic. The we have covered in that the HSCP basics part. The objective of this book to understand the need of HSCP to benefit the to understand the benefits, principles, management and resource requirements, how to prepare a HSCP plan, implement it and document the system, and to ensure to ongoing HSCP compliance. What is HSCP? What is a hazard? What are the biological hazards? What is chemical hazards? What is physical hazards? Why to use HSCP? What are the major food incidents which happen frequently? The legislative requirements, and what is the risk? The definition of control measure, the HSCP team, prerequisite programs. What is a prerequisite program? How to do HSCP study? How to do conduct a hazard analysis? Identify critical elements and critical limit target levels. Establishing corrective action. Validation of HSCP plan, putting the plan into practice, reporting deviations, keeping the adequate records, and maintaining the total HSCP systems. And in the basic cookbook, we have the basic knife skills, basic kitchen mess in place, dairy, eggs, fruits, vegetables, pottery, beef, veal, lamb and pork, fish and seafood, cooking applications, recipes and measurements, Fahrenheit cookery, stocks, soups, breakfast cookery, and an anthology of the most generally used herbs and spices. It has total 315 pages. The next is the continental of global main course. We have different sections that are steamed vegetables, vegetables in arepta sauce, vegetables in marinara sauce, mixed vegetables with creamy sauce, grilled vegetables with ginger honey glazed, tossed vegetables with honey mustard glazed, vegetables with cheese sauce, gnocchi with pomodoro sauce, cauliflower gnocchi with tomato basil sauce, semolina gnocchi with creamy cheese sauce, vegetables balls in demi glazed, roasted leek and baby carrot with romesco sauce, eggplant steaks, eggplant carbonata, Mediterranean eggplant rice, butter herb rice, Moroccan rice with harissa dates and orange, bell pepper and parsley rice, rice pilaf with carrot and parsley, stuffed peppers with couscous mozzarella, Italian puff stuffed pep, millet falafel stuffed pepper in spicy tomato sauce, spicy pesto and cheese stuffed zucchini, emulsini, stuffed zucchini boats, tomato and mozzarella stuffed zucchini, cubes, Mexican roasted corn and cuneo stuffed squash, baked spinach and corn, grilled vegetable lasagna, baked corn and aubergine, spinach and cheese cannellini, baked vegetables risotto, baked ratatouille, vegetable au gratin, baked broccoli and cauliflower with cheese sauce, and the last is stuffed jackets and potatoes. Feta spinach chicken rollery, roasted chicken with mushroom sauce, chicken caroniti, creamy baked pesto chicken thighs, almond chicken casserole, chicken and lentil stew, chicken and sweet corn stew, baked chicken and cheese crepes, lamb potato and leek stew, lamb and okra stew, lamb hot pot with dumplings, grilled fish with lemon butter sauce, Mediterranean salmon and prawn stew, grilled fish in garlic butter sauce, lamb chops with chili and Ligurian broad bean pesto, Moskena, that is Greek lamb and eggplant lasagna, Moroccan baked fish, fish baked in walnut crust, roasted butterflied tiger prawns in garlic butter, orange garlic prawns, butter garlic squid, clams and white fish in carrot saffron broth, baked sausage and potato casserole, rosemary chicken, grilled chicken with French onion sauce, Cajun grilled chicken with lemon creamy mayo, sauteed shrimp in creamy saffron sauce, creamy Tuscan chicken. The first is chicken continental, cilantro lemon chicken, spicy Mexican fish with tomato lime sauce, calamari a plancha, lamb barbecue, chicken in lemon butter sauce, simple sauté veg in global course that we have butter garlic salt vegetables, garlic vegetables with chimichurri sauce, Moroccan spice vegetables, couscous, Mediterranean roasted vegetable barley, roasted mixed vegetable, and so on. We have till 50 we have, so we can go through that. And we have the pasta section, non-veg section, veg section, roasted and grilled section, non-veg. And here we start the recipes of each cuisine. Steamed vegetables, vegetables in arabiata sauce. You can go through each one. We also have a separate book for continental global main course. You can also check out that if you just want that. The next is the copy of ship documents which are necessary. And also for the C1D visa, what are the interview questions we have also attached here. And the next in the super 9 super lectures for video 1, that is class method of cooking, book basic sauce, French and stock, classic menu, soup, cheese and chicken hierarchy, sandwich and rescue, salad, fish and beef stick, hygiene pasta, good relationship between kitchen service staff, fuel and kitchen equipment menu and workstation, which are the famous dishes and plating. And the next is the ship cruise medical report, for which are the medical documents which are necessary for gaining your particular cruise line. And the next is we have done a short webinar before, we have the recorded version, we have also attached here, that is किसी भी हॉस्पिटलिटी डिपार्टमेंट में इंटरव्यू कैसे क्रैक करें एंड अपनी पसंदीदा नौकरी कैसे पाए फॉर क्रूज एंड F&B या मैनेजमेंट. सो you can also watch that video here in the success to ship job master course bundle. So if you are facing any payment issues, or if you are need any counseling for diploma or choosing the hotel management career, you can also contact on the same WhatsApp number which is attached in the description box. And if you are facing any other questions, you can comment below and we will help you to clear them. Thank you.